Ark-La-Miss News Update.
Good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in to NBC News Daily. I'm Haley Hines with your Midday Ark-La-Miss update. Steward Healthcare has turned over operational control of Glenwood Regional Medical Center to a different company. NBC 10's Sammy Petracco has more details.
Steward Healthcare had announced their bankruptcy back in early May, looking to then sell 31 of their hospitals in 8 states. Glenwood Regional Medical Center was one of those hospitals, with Healthcare Systems of America looking to buy Glenwood. After several delays in court due to allocation disputes, HSA has agreed to assume operational control starting today.
We are awaiting a signed order from the bankruptcy judge stating that Healthcare Systems of America will be assuming the operations and will be the interim manager to then eventually assume full ownership.
However, Glenwood has still not been sold to Healthcare Systems of America. There is still a transition period between now and sale, as hearings and licensing are still ongoing.
Today was definitely not the final order from the bankruptcy judge. However, this is the interim order that will be in place to then for the parties to come back once all of the regulatory licensing and everything is put in place to have a final sale order.
Although Glenwood is seeing some changes in leadership, Amy Gill stressed that patients will still be seeing the same friendly faces there in the hospital.
Our goal as a HSA is to keep the jobs there within the hospital, to make a strong local community hospital that is able to run on its own, and then also to provide stability and trust to the community there for Glenwood Regional.
There is still no timetable as to when all this will be settled, but Healthcare Systems of America and licensing agencies within Louisiana are working hard on making this process as smooth and as quick as possible. As new operations and a change in leadership commences for now, we will provide more updates on the full sale of Glenwood Regional Hospital when we get them. Reporting in West Monroe for your Ark-La-Miss News Source, I'm Sammy Petracco.
And out of your weather station, Francine made landfall in southern Louisiana Wednesday evening. According to the National Hurricane Center, Francine touched down as a Category 2 hurricane in the parish of Terrebonne with maximum sustained winds estimated to be near 100 miles per hour. Heavy rains and hurricane-force winds are spreading inland across southern Louisiana. A hurricane warning is in effect across most of Louisiana coastline, while a storm surge warning covers the area from Vermilion and Cameron Parish line in Louisiana to the Mississippi and Alabama border. A state of emergency has been declared by the governors of both Louisiana and Mississippi. Officials are urging residents to stay inside and away from windows. Residents in affected areas are also encouraged to remain weather aware and have multiple ways to receive warnings and updates.
And now, exclusive Storm Tracker Doppler weather with meteorologist Chase Ward.
Francine will be exiting to the north across central and northern Mississippi by this afternoon. Winds will be mainly out of the north. Still going to be a little breezy out there, especially for locations near the Mississippi River, bordering in, parishes and counties in that direction. We'll start to see the winds die down a little bit late tonight going into tomorrow. Dry air begins to sneak in as Francine completely weakens well up to the north, and as that dry air sneaks in out of the west, we will start to see a little bit clearing and see some sunshine through tomorrow. Temperatures expected to rebound back to the mid-upper 80s and kind of staying that way as we head and start of the weekend. Tonight will be partly cloudy with lows in the lower 60s, and then tomorrow we'll see mid to upper 80s, winds kind of shifting out of the west, and sunshine expected to return. Now over the weekend, there's some slight rain chances, still up for debate if anything pops up. If it does, it will stay isolated with that sun-cloud mixture and remaining warm through the early parts of next week, and we could see a return heading to the 90s Tuesday through Wednesday, and also through late next week on Thursday with continued sunshine. Temperatures will remain mid to upper 60s and could see some lower 70s.
That's it for your midday update. Be sure to be very cautious on the roads. They are very, very wet due to Francine. NBC News Daily continues.
When you see news happening, call the NBC 10 Fox 14 News Hotline, 812-1410, sponsored by RoofMax. Get a free estimate today.